taking a look at the FAQ database module. This module allows website visitors to ask questions, which are then stored in an easy-to-access database and can be answered and organized from there. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the features. Starting on the dashboard, we're going to go into Access Modules and scroll down until we reach FAQ Admin. From here you'll be able to access 3 different menus: File, FAQs, and Categories. Right now we're going to take a look at FAQs. This is the main interface from which you'll be able to access answered and unanswered questions, as well as adding new questions in this tab over here. Scrolling down, we're able to see that there's a text field here for questions and answers, as well as a detail box for further explanation. And if this is a question relating to a product, you can choose to indicate so from this drop-down menu. Heading back over to the FAQs tab, we have access to both answered and unanswered questions. Currently we have all FAQs displaying, but if we would like to, we can have it display only the unanswered questions, and vice versa. Let's go in and take a closer look at this unanswered question. The first thing you'll see on this page are the various tabs at the top. We'll go look at those in just a moment. Starting with Modify FAQs, you'll see that we have information about the person who asked the question. Clicking this box, you have the option to notify the individual when the answer is available. Similar to the Add FAQ interface, we have the option to select a product. We are able to edit and reformat the question, and we are able to provide an answer here. One of the great features of the FAQ module is that our framework supports both images and videos in our answers, as well as full text formatting. If you'd like to add an image or video, it's as simple as clicking either the image or video icon, which will pull up a menu allowing you to browse the server for an image. We can go through here, choose one as an example, and you have the ability to further format this image. Taking a look through these other tabs, you have the ability to add new properties to our image. And clicking OK will insert the image into your text box. Just the same, you'll be able to browse the server, insert videos, and edit their properties here. Publishing an answered question is as easy as clicking Submit. If we scroll back up, we can take a look at the Search Existing FAQs menu. This allows us to search the public FAQ database. We can search for similar questions to see if this is something we have already answered. Taking a look at the keyword tabs, we have the ability to attach keywords and tag our FAQs, making it easier for users to search through a large database. To further organize your question and answer, you can use the category tabs to group similar questions together. And it's as simple as checking a box. Let's head back to the FAQ admin page. Next, we're going to take a look at the File menu. In the Settings tab, you'll be able to change how the FAQ page displays information and decide how users are able to interact with it. You'll also find information for email responses. Looking over here, the View Keywords tab allows you to further manage your keywords. We're going to take a look at our last menu now and go into Categories. From this interface, you'll be able to further manage your categories. You can use sequences to change the order of your categories as they display on the FAQ page, and have the option to add a new category. Now that we've showcased our 3 menus, let's go take a look at a sample FAQ page. Here on the the FAQ page, you'll see that page visitors have the ability to search for FAQs by keyword, view all FAQs, view FAQs by category, and submit a question of their own. The great thing about this framework is that it is customizable and can be changed to suit your website's needs. That about wraps up the features for the FAQ module. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can always learn more by going to www.ordermaxx.com.